First, prepare the cream as it needs to cool down. Mix all the cream ingredients except for the vanilla in a saucepan, whisk together, and then place over medium heat. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens. Once thickened, add the vanilla, mix well, and set aside to cool. For the cake, mix eggs, sugar, and vanilla together until creamy and fluffy using an electric mixer. Then add the milk and vegetable oil, mixing until combined. Finally, add the sifted flour and baking powder mixture and mix until a smooth batter forms. Now pour the cake mixture into a greased mold. Pour the cooled cream mixture over the cake batter in a swirling motion from the center to the edges. Arrange sliced strawberries on top. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cream turns golden. Once done, decorate with powdered sugar. Enjoy!